Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the text to video animation video using Pictory AI. So how to do the video step by step. Here's the video I will generate. Okay, okay, so simple video I will generate it. Okay, so how to do this video step by step we'll teach. Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the Pictory AI. This is a very best AI tool for generating the text to video. Okay, this is a video generator best tool, so you have to click on it, click free. Okay, first you have to go to the free plan. After you satisfy, you will be able to buy and go to the premium. Okay, any AI tool you can try on it, the free one. After you satisfy, you can go along with the free, okay, paid one. Okay, so first you have to sign up via your Gmail account. After that, I'm going to click start the YouTube monetization here. You have to select the Pictory here. Okay, so I'm going to select something monetize, something else. You can select one, whatever. Okay, so now you can go to the Pictory AI dashboard. It's look like this one. It look fine. So now we are in the trial one. Okay, so that trial one. Okay, so we can see. Okay, so I'm going to ask which one. Text video. I'm going to choose as text video. I'm going to create here text video. So I'm going to go to that text video, AI video generator. So here click on it, the text video. Okay, you have to start the prompt. What the prompt you have? You have size. Here you can see the size. If it is a desktop, you are going to generate a desktop size. This is the mobile. Okay, vertical. Okay, vertical size. Okay, now I'm going to go to the along with the desktop one. So what I'm going to do is, if it is a YouTube, it's a long video. If it is short, you can go to here, long video. So first, before that, you have to go to that ChatGPT and ask, I want to generate the prompt for the video. Here is the text. I need you to give me the best prompt. Before that, you have to write here, act as a best, world best prompt writer for video. Okay, so according to the prompt, it will be here. I'm going to give the prompt. The cat is struggling on the rain on the road rainy time, heavy rain time, heavy rain time, rainy moment. Okay, the cat are struggling to walk on the flooding road during the heavy raining night. Okay, this is the same prompt. Just copy this prompt back to my Pictory AI tool, paste on it. Okay, so the title is, I'm going to cat struggling Okay, so that I'm going to paste this prompt. Best can click on it to paste on it. Okay, it's no need that this one on the title. Okay, this is the prompt. Okay, so what I'm going, this is the things you have to do it. So I'm going to generate the video. So I'm going to select the theme, something else it asking. So this one should be the themes they are asking. Okay, so the themes and everything it asking. Select the theme, right? So whatever theme you can ask is a new one, this one. Okay, that so I'm going to select one of these. So I select this one. Okay, okay, wait until the video generation complete. Okay, so wait until the video description complete. It will be take some time to complete the. Please wait while the video storyboard is being created. Okay, wait. It's not take not that much of a time. Okay, this is something like a video storyboard video. Okay, once we are doing the presentation and that YouTube video, the presentation video, you will be able to do along with this Pictory AI platform. Okay, you can generate this one, generate the video, but this is a free one. The free one we cannot have a much option. If you purchase the premium one, you have plenty of option to generate the video very professional way. Don't bother about this one. If you purchase that one, you would be go to the good video. Okay, so it is, you have to wait until the video is creation. It's still creating. Okay, so here the scenes. Okay, the scenes are there. Okay, so you can play out. Don't worry that. Okay, so that let's check it. Here every scenes are there. Here you can see that every scenes are there. Here we're still creating. That's why it takes some time. Let's wait. Play the video. Okay, it's a preview video. Let's check how the video as it is. Okay, now the still video is generated. Now you can see the video. Here you can see here you can see the video. Okay, so if we are providing that premium one, okay, it is still creating. Okay, so that after it will be created, you can see the full video. So I'm stop it. Okay, take some time to create it. Okay, so if you have purchased the premium one, the watermark is gone. With the grid image, they are taking some watermark from that premium picture platform. If you purchase them, that watermark has gone. Okay, this how that should be works. Okay, here you will be able to get the libraries. You will be able to edit here. Okay, so that you will be able to edit the video as you wish. Okay, the rainy also, if you are not satisfied this one, you will be able to edit this one. Okay, so that categories that the cat also you are not able, you don't have to you don't, this cat is good, you can be able to get this kind of a cat. You can just chasing the, you can search cat video, so you will be able to get one of these and you can use it. Okay, so that AI studio also you will be able to generate it over here. Describe that you can generate over here as well. Here also you will be able to generate that images. Okay, so here the AI studio as well. Here this is the images generated. Okay, here this images also you will be able to include it. Okay, the struggling cat here. Okay, So that the same image we will be able to generate it. This is the best image here. Okay, so this how you can generate that work. Okay.